Alright, so we're at the river right now, and we're going back. And there's a bee in Caroline's Dr. Pepper.
I just opened it.
Yeah. Look, it's right there. Kill it. Oh yeah, well for now this is the river. It's pretty, right? No, it's all green. Ugh. Looks like pee. Caroline!
I'm going to get.
No, just come on. Please.
Oh my god, there's a wasp. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of here. There's a red wasp.
Oh my god.
Is that normal?
Where's my Dr. Pepper? Where's that scary cat?
Okay.
You got my baby boo. That's my baby cousin. No. Hey. The truck. He just said that word. Truck.
Oh, truck.
This is my family. Serenity.
Well, that's all.
Okay. ¿Te quieres subir? Yeah, this is our video and stupid vehement got my Dr. Pepper. Huh? I know he's gonna say no. Oh, truck. The truck. The truck. So that's all for now. No? My new hat. Just kidding. Deuce, America. Bye.